Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that the blades on your TM31 are making a horrible grinding noise, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to wear and tear on the blades or the motor, which can lead to further damage if not addressed promptly. Ignoring this problem could result in costly repairs down the line or even the need for a complete replacement. To tackle this repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement blade assembly, and some silicone grease. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged before beginning any repair. Start by carefully removing the base of the machine by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once the base is off, locate the motor assembly. You may need to gently wiggle it free from the casing. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Now, inspect the blades for any visible signs of wear or damage. If they appear worn, it's time to replace them. To do this, gently disconnect the wiring harness attached to the motor. It may require a bit of force, but be careful not to pull too hard to avoid breaking anything. Once the wiring is disconnected, you can remove the old blades by unscrewing the retaining screws that hold them in place. Replace them with a new blade assembly, ensuring it is correctly aligned. Tighten the screws securely but avoid over-tightening as this could damage the threads. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring it clicks into place properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully reassemble the motor and attach the base back onto the machine, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and run a short test cycle to ensure the blades are functioning correctly without any grinding noise. To prevent this issue from returning, regularly check your blades for wear and maintain your Thermomix by cleaning it thoroughly after each use. Avoid overloading the device with tough ingredients, as this can put extra strain on the motor. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.